Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send Ethereum from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and secure. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, staying updated is key, so let's get right into it. First things first, before you start, make sure you have a verified Kraken account and your Tangem wallet set up and ready to go. You'll also need some Ethereum in your Kraken wallet to transfer. This is crucial because you don't want to hit any roadblocks midway. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, generate or select your Ethereum address. It's usually found in the Receive or Wallet section. Copy this address carefully, as it's your destination for the transfer. Next, head over to the Kraken website or app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Funding or Withdraw section. This is where the magic happens. Select Ethereum from the list of assets you want to withdraw. Now, paste the Tangem wallet address you copied earlier into the withdrawal form. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply in 2025. These fees can vary, so check current rates for the best deal. Hit the Withdraw or Confirm button, and you'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication step for security. Once approved, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, open your Tangem wallet to verify that the Ethereum has arrived. If everything checks out, you're all set. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto. Use hardware wallets like Tangem for better protection. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.